guys, I'm Randy Ravioli, and in this episode, my guest chef will be none other than the world's coolest magician, the one and only Josh Halo!
Hey, Josh Halo in the house! Randy, my man, how's it going?
Nice.
So, what are we making?
Today we'll be making pigs in a blanket. You will need some little smokies and crescent roll slices.
Hey, how about a trick?
Sure.
Pick a card. Now put it back in the deck. Is this your card?
No.
Is this your card?
Mm-mm.
How about this one?
Mm-mm.
I guess that one needs more work.
Yeah. Okay, your instructions are 1. Put a little smoky on each crescent roll slice and roll it up. Okay, now that they're done, we can bring them over to the oven and cook them at about 375 degrees for about 14 minutes. Get 'em.
Hey, Randy, how about another trick?
All right.
See this ordinary marble?
Mm-hmm.
I will make it disappear.
Okay.
Do not pay any attention to that marble. It is not the one we are looking for.
Okay, now that our crescent rolls our pigs in blanket are done, I'm gonna add some ketchup. Scrumptious. Would you like to try one?
Yeah, man. Right. Now I will do my grand finale.
Wow, what is it gonna be?
I will magically make myself disappear with this piece of cloth. A doe, a deer. I will make myself disappear.
Josh, are you okay? Can I help you take this blanket off? Ah! Huh? Well, I guess you better work on that trick. Here, maybe a pigs in blanket will help you. Maybe not. Well, we hope you liked our Kid Chef show. See you later.
Goodbye.